Hello friends, good day, how you doing? This is Titus Ojedron. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make money from the internet using Fiverr. So you just go to your browser, probably you are using your Chrome or your Firefox. Just go to your browser and type fiverr.com. So once you type fiverr.com, you'll come to the website. So for you that just coming like a new seller, just go to join. But for me, I have an account already, so I'm going to sign into my account. So this is how it is. So I'm going to sign into my account. Let's wait for it. Okay, the network is a bit slow. So here it is. So I'm going to sign in with my email and password. I have that already, so yeah, you go. So this is what it looks like. As a seller on Fiverr, you have your profile, you have your description, you have a lot of other information about you. So I've been a seller on Fiverr for the past 1 year. So let me show you my profile. I've been a seller on Fiverr. So this is my profile. Okay, this is my dashboard. You can see my response rate and everything. So now let me show you. This, I just have two orders. So I delivered this about some days ago, and this I still have like 20 days to deliver this. So that is my dashboard. Okay, this is my profile. You can see I've done over 100 jobs on Fiverr, and I registered last year June, which is just about 1 year. And you can see my last delivery was like 2 days ago, so that means I delivered a job like 2 days ago. So, and you can see my profile, I'm using a Nigerian address. So there's a lot of misconception when it comes to freelancing. People believe you have to lie, you have to use fake profile, you have to change your name, all those stuff. You don't need to do any of these. You can use your picture. You can see my gig descriptions. I'm using my pictures. You can see this is one of my most successful gig on Fiverr, and you can see I'm using my picture as my thumbnail. I'm using my picture. So you don't need to lie to anybody before you get jobs on Fiverr. And most of my clients, most of them are from Europe, they're from the United States. You can see this is United States. You can see everything United States, and they don't mind whether you're from Pakistan or from anywhere. What they need is just for you to deliver the job, and you get paid. So that's just the thing. So now, okay, let me walk you through how to set up your accounts as a new seller. Because the first thing you need to do is, when you join fiverr.com, you are going to sign up as a buyer. You're going to sign up as a buyer. So after signing up as a buyer, you convert your accounts to a seller account. So once you convert your account to a seller account, you're going to have to create your gigs. This is what we call gigs. Like all these, they are what we call gigs. This is gig, something like I will write your SEO Christian blog content. This is a gig. This means I want to write SEO content for your blogs. So that's the kind of service I render in this particular gig. So this is for ghostwriting and ghostwriting of books and devotionals and a lot of other stuff. It's actually funny that this is my most successful gig on Fiverr. But then when I started doing gigs on Fiverr, I started with writing tales, like writing African state tales. I remember that time when I registered the accounts, I got my first job of $100 after 3 days, and it was wow. But then that was not the case because I had an account before. The account was suspended, so I had to register a new account, which I did in June last year. And 3 days after registering this new account, I got my first job on Fiverr. So I'm going to be dropping a lot of videos on how to optimize your accounts, how to grow your gigs, how to target buyers, how to know some kind of keywords you need to use so that you can sell on Fiverr. I've done this for the past 1 year. I've been doing this, and just in the space of 1 year, from a new seller to level 2, and very soon I'm going to become a top rated seller on Fiverr, which is huge. So you can see I have over 90 reviews, and I have a lot of jobs that I've done, that people don't, it's not everybody that will drop review. So that's just it. So, and when it comes to revenue, I have a bit of it too. I'm going to let me show you what it means. And okay, you can see okay, I'm coming. Let's wait for the network. Okay, you can see Fiverr is one of the easiest way to make money on the internet, because if you want to be a YouTuber, you have to meet a lot of requirements. You set up your accounts, you have to meet up with 40,000 watch hour. You have to have 1,000 subscribers before you get to monetize your channel. And even after monetizing your channel, you still have to grow the channel before you can earn a lot of money. But when you have to do something like maybe crypto trading or forex trading, you need to invest money before you can make money. Some other things like affiliate marketing, you need to look for people, you have to say something to them before you get a commission from it. But one of the easiest way to make money from the internet is doing freelancing, because if you have a skill you can render, you can register your account on Fiverr today and you can get your first job on Fiverr, and from there you can make money. Just even on your first day on Fiverr, you can make money on your first day. I told you I made my first $100 gig or $100 order the third day I registered this particular account. So that means you can actually do this. You can see this is this is what I did in July. You can see the amount here. You can see the number of orders I've completed. This is over hundreds, and you can see my average selling price. So that's just, this is my last 30 days review, but you can see. So what I'm saying is there's a lot of potential when it comes to freelancing. There's a lot of potential. You get to meet people from different part of the world. You can see this is my this is the what's it called, the countries where some of my clients come from. So you can see I have a lot of clients from Canada, from Italy, from Australia, and a lot from United States. This is United States. You can see a lot of my clients are from Canada. You can see over 90% of my clients are from United States. And you can see me here. I'm from this country here. So that's just the thing. So there's no limit to, because the thing there is, if you're a graphic designer, you can do something as a graphic designer. You get paid maybe like 10,000 naira. But when you do that on Fiverr, you can be paid as much as $200, $100. By the time you multiply that by, 800 or something, that's a lot of money for you to make, and you can even complete more than one job in a day on Fiverr. So that's the beautiful part of joining this platform. So I want to implore you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I'm going to be uploading more videos on how to optimize your account, how to create your account as a new seller, how to target buyers, how to run ad on Fiverr, because I run ad on Fiverr. I'm going to be showing you how to grow your accounts, how to grow your impression, how to grow your click-through ratio and everything on Fiverr, so that you too can make money for yourself. If you like this video and you want to know more about how to make money from the internet, and also want to be a part of this community, I want to implore you to subscribe to this YouTube channel, and please like this video and comment. I would like to connect with you, so you can just drop your email address in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.